Hi dear students, welcome back to a new video of I-Square. Today in I-Square we are going to discuss one of the most important question from the chapter complex numbers, and it is being asked for previous year exams frequently, and we have to learn this question because the chances for this question being asked in the current exams are high. So the question is, find I raised to 1 plus I square plus I cube plus etc. plus I raised to 99. It is easy if we know all the values of the individual components. So first of all, let us begin with I raised to 1. So as you know, I raised to 1 is equal to nothing but I itself, because any number raised to 1 is that number itself. Now we know that I square, by the definition itself, I square is nothing but minus 1. And again, I cube can be written as I square into I, isn't it? Therefore, it is equal to minus 1 into I. So it is equal to minus I. Again, I raised to 4 can be written as I square the whole square. So it is equal to minus 1 square. So it is equal to 1. So we get I raised to 1 is equal to I. So this is nothing but I, and this is nothing but minus 1, and this is nothing but minus I, and I raised to 4 is nothing but plus 1. And on adding, we can see that this I and minus I cancels, and minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. So these four quantities will result in 0. And proceeding like this, every four quantities or every four sums up to 0 like this. Since there are 99 terms and we know that every 4 terms adds to 0, total sums which adds up to 0 will be a multiple of 4. So the greatest multiple of 4 which is less than 99 is nothing but 96, isn't it? So what remains is 97th, 98th and 99th term, isn't it? So we have what remains is I raised to 97 plus I raised to 98 plus I raised to 99. All other numbers sums up to 0. Now we shall find what is I raised to 97. I raised to 97 actually equal to I raised to 96 into I, isn't it? Again, I raised to 96 is actually equal to I square the whole raised to 48. So into I. Now I square is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1 the whole raised to 48 is into I. It is equal to minus 1 the whole raised to 48. Minus 1 raised to any even number is 1. So it is equal to 1 into I equal to I. So I raised to 97 is nothing but I. Again let us find I to the whole raised to 49. That is minus 1 the whole raised to 49, and we know that minus 1 raised to an odd number result in minus 1 itself. So I raised to 98 is actually minus 1. Again I raised to 99. We shall find I raised to 99. I raised to 99 can be split as I raised to 98 into I. Since we found out, again we know that I raised to 98 already equal to minus 1. So it is equal to minus 1 into I, it is equal to minus I. So I raised to 99 is nothing but minus I. So as you can see, I plus I and minus I cancels, and what remains in this sum is only minus 1. So we can say that this sum is actually equal to minus 1. So minus 1 will be the answer for this question. Actually this question is very simple if you are able to observe this pattern. And stay tuned for this kind of previous year solved problems, and till the next video.